So it's 30:30 and we're back in the garage with this one. And he's going to be learning to do what, Toby?
A coil spring.
What?
A coil spring.
Remove a coil spring. So this one's broken, isn't it, Toby?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show me where it's broken?
There.
There is where it's broken, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And we've got a shiny new one.
Yeah.
That is your new one.
Yeah, it is mine.
Don't scratch it. Right. Come on then. So in the spring compressor. So you want to line it up on the bottom spring. Like that. And then into the top. Yeah?
Yeah.
Then you want to make sure that it sits on the cup here, Tobes. Because if you don't, it'll hit mummy.
We don't want that. I really don't want
That's
a
not my
spring.
problem.
Okay, I'm going to go back over here then.
Which one do I push down?
Yeah, that's it. Keep going. And you want to squash it until this is loose.
You sure it's this one?
100%, Toby.
Ready? Till this is loose.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit of leg day for you, Tobes.
Okay, I think that is loose enough. Look. Okay, stop. Stop. Right, now you want to undo this nut, but when you're undoing that nut, you need to make sure this doesn't fall to the floor. So you hold it here and undo the nut.
Like that?
The gun is on the bench with the right socket on ready. Test you undoing it the right way. Yeah, top button there. Toby, wait. So, right, hold it straight and down. Right, press it slightly. Go on, go on. Right, wait. Right, now
Can you hold that?
go on then.
I think the gun's a bit too heavy for him.
Okay, stop. You've undone it. Right, now you need to make sure you keep this all in order and it doesn't fall apart.
Okay.
So lift it off. You have to be careful because there's a bearing in here. So stop. You look, there's all the bearings that you don't want to lose, so let go, let go. You want to put that back together.
Okay.
And that piece should come off as one, not the way it's split then. It's just because it's an old bearing.
Yeah, are we replacing that?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to put this back in. So.
Well, how do you think that one's going to go
So
in?
you need to release
Same
this
way
one.
that came out.
So release this one, which is the other lever. Hold this
What?
gently.
Well, it made him jump.
Okay, right, take it off. Okay, right,
No,
don't run away with it yet.
Scrap it.
No,
Not yet.
wait.
So you need to check.
It's the same size. Yeah, the
So normally you make sure the right in, it's the right way up. And then you know that that's the top one. So you want to check that that looks about the right size, which it does. So that one can just go over there for now.
Can I drop it so the bounces?
No.
Okay, now you need the lower piece off the shock absorber.
This.
Yeah, because you need to put the rubber onto the bottom of this.
We need to take this off as well, don't we?
That's what I just said.
Where is this?
Right, so you need to put that piece.
That's how broken it was. It snapped off.
That's why they're replacing it.
To that. Right, now we need to get this in here. I'll set it up for you.
Yeah, you can do it.
No, you're doing it. I'm just setting it up for you.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Any particular reason why you're setting it up for him?
Because this one's a bit bigger than the other one.
Okay.
And it's harder to do. might be able to get that in. That's all I'm missing.
Hey Toby, it's all yours.
Okay. Now we're gonna
Pump it.
this one.
Yeah.
Why doesn't it do it quicker? Your fault.
Pass the book over him. That's not there. Not there, Marvin.
Yeah, I'm just gonna move slightly more this way.
I don't
Just
know
in
if that's
case.
this machine.
Okay, stop.
You sure you want to get that close to it?
You've got to put it back on.
Yeah.
Take more. Okay, stop.
Is it a bad thing that that clicked?
Don't worry about that, yeah.
Okay. Does it click? Should I push it more?
It won't go more. That's as far as it'll go.
No, it's not.
So now, you need to screw that onto the top.
Okay, once this is on.
That's the fun bit. Might need to sit it back out and push it down a bit more.
Well, we leave it like that so it goes smaller.
It won't. There's too much of the spring at the top that's not compressed.
We need to get that down a bit more on the
Yeah.
canvas.
Take it back off. Oh, wait a minute. You're a little bit too eager.
Move back.
Yes.
Wait.
Should I push it down quickly or not?
No, very gentle.
So it's that top spring needs to go under one more curl, I think.
Yeah, which means we just need to.
Twist it.
No.
Is that good?
Oh,
That should be.
so fancy. Okay, gently.
He'd almost make quite a good apprentice, really, wouldn't he?
When he listens.
As long as you pay me more than £100.
What, a year? I can pay him £100 a year.
No, every time I do one of these.
Wow.
There you go. Leave your comments in the section below as to whether you think he deserves £100 or less.
More?
More. Well, we need to see if the effort's there.
You look at the difference now.
I know.
Stop. Do not press that with my fingers in here. Right. Go get the gun.
And I need to press the bottom one.
Hold it straight. Come on.
Okay.
One more.
You said one more.
Okay, that'll do.
Morning.
Thank you. That's that. Just turn it. And rotate. Okay, so that's all lined up. Right, Toby, take it out.
Hello.
Slowly.
Maybe turn it.
It won't.
Oh, look. So there you go.
Bit twisted.
One new coil spring fitted. Well done, Toby.
£100 in the bank.
Not quite. Nice try there.
But
Catch you all later. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Cheers!